next one is a really, really good one. So this individual hates everything related to the law of attraction, and you can probably see where this one is going. This was actually a really long post on Reddit that I clipped out, so just the beginning. Title says it all. I feel pretty jaded and cynical, and every time I try to be grateful, it seems super forced and makes me feel worse. My body tenses up as if to reject my attempts. So here's the thing with this individual. Their ego is still very clearly strong in this aspect. And the thing about this, here's the crazy thing about the law of attraction. If you hate everything related to the law of attraction, and if you feel jaded and cynical about the law of attraction, by the law of attraction, you will get more circumstances in your life which will make you feel the exact same way. So people who say they hate the law of attraction will bring more reasons in their life to hate the law of attraction. And of course, the complete opposite side, if you say, I love the law of attraction every single day, the law of attraction will bring you more reasons to love the law of attraction every single day. That is a crazy thing here. And you might be listening to this and be like, okay, where's the proof? The proof is, and just try it out. Try it out for a day, try it out for 3 days, and you will quickly realize if you are just constantly grateful every single second of every single day about every single situation, how quickly your life will change. It really is that simple.